Hello everyone, you are welcome into another tutorial on how to sew 360-degree circle cape blouse. So we'll be needing the plain and the pattern fabric, and I'll be using 2 yards for the pattern fabric and half yard for the plain fabric. So we'll be drafting the neckband pattern now. So we fold our pattern paper into 2. So we turn it around and begin the measurement from the center front. So I'll be inputting the neck width, which is 3 inches. So I'll mark it out, and the neck depth we are working with is 7 inches. So I'll mark it out as well. And once I'm done marking, I'll be connecting with my straight ruler. So that is the neckline we are working with. We are making a V-shaped neckline. And once I'm done marking, we determine the width of our neckband. So I'll be coming out by 2.5 inches at the shoulder area. I'll mark it out. Then repeat the same thing at the center front, 2.5 inches. And once I'm done marking, I'll be connecting with my ruler. So that is the size of the neckband we are working with for our cape blouse. And once I'm done marking, I'll be cutting it out. So I'll be using this to cut out our fabric. So to cut your pattern on the fabric, you fold the fabric into 2. Then you place it at the center. I just want to illustrate it to us for us to see clearly, because I'll be cutting mine together, but I want you to see how it's going to look like. So you just place, you can see at the folded edge, you place your pattern on it and cut it out. But I'll be folding mine together. So once I'm done folding, I'll be showing us, you can see, I'll be folding it into 4. So once I'm done folding, I will adjust it properly. Then I'll be placing the pattern on it now from the folded edge. So I will align the pattern to the shoulder area properly. So once it fits, I'll clip it down. Then I adjust it properly also at the center neckline. Then clip it down. So I will not be cutting directly. I'll be adding half-inch sewing allowance to it so that I'll be able to use that to join it to the main fabric. Measurement of the ruler I'm working with is exact half-inch, but you can use your tape measure to measure yours. And once I'm done marking, then we can cut it out now. So our cape is ready. I'll be separating the pattern from the main fabric now. So we are having the 4 together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since they are still joined at the top, so I'll be slitting it open at the center. So I'll be slitting the first side and the other side as well. So once I'm done slitting, I'll be separating them in 2. So 2 for the front and 2 for the back. So I'll be placing them on each other. So once I'm done doing that, I'll be setting it aside so that we can proceed with our main fabric. The amount of fabric I'm working with is 45 inches by 45 inches. That gives us square. So I've already folded the fabric into 2. Then I'll be folding it into another 2, making 4 folds in total. Just the same way we fold for our 360-degree flare. So once I'm done folding, I will adjust it properly. So the part with the 2 folds, it will be the shoulder area, while the center front will be the neckline area. So I'll bring in the neckband pattern now to be able to trace it out on our fabric. So I'll place the pattern at the neck area, then align it properly to the center front, then I'll clip it down. I will also align it properly at the shoulder area, ensuring that it matches, then I'll clip it down. So I can now trace it out on the main fabric. And once I'm done tracing, I'll be removing the pattern paper from the fabric. So I will not be cutting on that line directly. I will be adding half-inch sewing allowance to it, so that I'll be using that to attach our main fabric to the neckband. So once I'm done marking, I'll be cutting it out now. So I'm done cutting out the neck area. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to measure the length of our fabric, and the length we are working with is 22.5 inches. So I'll mark it out. I'll repeat the same measurements at the other side of the fabric so that we can have a perfect straight line. So once I'm done noting the points, I'll be connecting with my straight ruler. So that will be the hem of our blouse. And once I'm done connecting, I'll go to the shoulder area to measure our shoulder length. And the length we are working with is 18 inches. Since we've already cut out 3 inches for the neck width, we'll be deducting the 3 inches from the 18 inches. So we'll be left with 15 inches. So we'll be placing the 15 inches at the shoulder area, then we'll mark it out. And once I'm done marking, I'll be connecting with my free hand from the hem of our blouse to the shoulder area. The line is not showing properly, so I'm trying to retrace it out for us to see clearly. And once I'm done doing that, we'll be cutting it out. So I'm done cutting out our blouse, then I'll be opening it up now. So both the front and the back are still together. So we'll be slitting it open at the shoulder area. I've already slitted the other side, so I'll be slitting the second side now. And once I'm done doing that, I'll be opening up our fabric. So we're having both the front and the back now. And since the two fabric are the same, so I'll pick one of the fabric and set it aside so that I can use the second fabric to illustrate. So I'll turn it to the right side, then place our neckband on it for us to see the view. You can see, so this is what we are trying to achieve. So I'll be setting the main fabric aside now so that we can work on our neckband. So this is our neckband. I've placed the two right side facing each other. So we'll be stitching 1/2 inch at the center. We'll repeat the same thing on the other neckband, and once I'm done stitching, I'll be showing us. So I've stitched down the neckband and I've given it a good press. So the next thing we do now is to attach to our fabric. But before we proceed, we'll make a notch at the center of our blouse. This is for us to be able to attach our neckband conveniently. So we'll be placing the center of our neckband at the notch point. Then we push it up a little. That pointy side, we push it up a little. So once we have aligned it to the center, we turn it to the right side like we are seeing right now. Then we adjust it properly. Then once I'm done adjusting, I'll be pinning it down. So I will adjust the neckband to align with the edge of our fabric. Then I'll keep pinning to the shoulder area. So once I'm done pinning that side, I'll be turning the fabric around like we are seeing right now. Then I'll pin on the other side as well, following the same pattern. So once I'm done pinning, I'll be showing us. So I'm done pinning the neckband to the fabric. And you can see that it's looking as if we have sewn it down already. So and this is what we are trying to achieve. So I'll turn it back to the wrong side now. So from the V point, we sew it down to the shoulder area. We repeat the same thing on the other side. And once we are done stitching, I'll be showing us the two. So I'm done stitching both the front and the back. And the next thing we do now is to trim off the excess fabric at the shoulder area. So I'll be trimming it down. I'll repeat the same thing on the other shoulder, as well as on the second fabric. And once I'm done trimming, then I'll be placing the two fabric right side facing each other. So I've placed the fabric on each other, aligning the shoulder area, both for the front and the back. Then I'll be sewing down 1/2 inch on both sides. And once I'm done stitching, I'll be showing us. So I'm done stitching the shoulder area and I've turned it to the right side. Then I already iron it out. So I'll be folding in the raw edges at the hem. And once I'm done doing that, I'll be showing us the final look on the mannequin. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give us a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you. See you in our next video.